Hey guys, how are you doing? I have been MIA for over 6 days. You guys, this is as good as my voice is right now. I had the flu. I couldn't even talk. So it pushed all my DIYs back because I couldn't talk when I was doing them. I'm going to have to do a marathon this weekend on them. Can you believe my voice still? I have never had laryngitis this long. Anyway, I'm coming to you because I have a random haul, okay? I went to Michael's and Joannes. I normally don't do a lot of shopping at either store, not because, I don't want to, but Michael's is too expensive. And even with their sales, sometimes it's still not, it's more than what I would want to spend. And Joannes, to be perfectly honest, usually doesn't. They're very expensive as well, and they just don't have a lot of what I'm looking for, to be quite honest. Sorry, I have tea and lemon. I have to keep wetting my throat. Anyway, I did get this, and it was on sale, and I paid for something. I got it because I will use this in my decor. This won't just be for Easter. And when I do buy things, a lot of times I try to think if I could use them other than just for a holiday. So I feel like the money that I spend, I'll use it for more than just one thing. You know what I mean? So this I will use. So I got that. It's not going to fit very big eggs, I'll tell you that much. Well, let's look. Well, that egg just sits right up there. The only egg. And then that one's too small. So it's really more of the decor aspect of it. But anyway, I got that. So that was the main thing. I wanted to get the galvanized chick, the chocolate mold looking one, but they didn't have any. So I got that. And then I got, since I'm doing the pink and gray, I got a pink gingham plate. And this one I couldn't resist. Look at that face, and it's rimmed in pink. Oh my gosh. And these were $4 on sale. Isn't that the sweetest little face with the little pink? So I got those two, and those will go in my kitchen. And then I had tulips, and for the life of me, I cannot find them. So I'll find them when I'm ready to put up my 4th of July. You wait and see. And I only got 3. And these were $2 a piece. And they're yellow and green. So I got 3 of them. Very pretty and well worth $2, I think. So I got those. And that was my Michael's. See what I mean? Very little. I'm trying to get my light here. Very little haul. And then next door is Joannes. So then I went to Joannes. And this is the big purchase I got from Joannes. I got these napkins, and it says, "Family is the greatest blessing." But I'm also decorating with gray, remember? So I'm doing a DIY with these that you'll see soon. So I got those. And then I got this. These were on sale. And this was $4. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off each sprig individually and put them in my kitchen randomly. So that was Joannes. See, I told you. Oh, and I got these 2 bushes of little, what? It just says, oh, Gerber, baby Gerber, I guess. And this is going to go, I think, with what I'm doing for that live stream I'm in, I think. Then when I went to work, I had to get, this is all in the same day, So before I went to work, I went to Michael's and Joannes, so boom, boom, boom. It was very fast. But trim, for another DIY that I'm doing for Easter. And these were on sale for 49 cents. So I got this yellow, kind of like a braid, in this baby blue. And these were 50% off. And this pink. And then this iridescent. I'm trying to put this light so you can see it, because this is at night. So that is my huge haul. Just got things that I needed for DIYs and a couple things for decor, but that was it. So I hope you like this little haul, and I have got to get these DIYs done since I've been pushed back because of this flu. So guys, I just wanted to share that, and I've missed you, and I want you to know the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.